What is going on, everyone? My name is Drew. What it do? Hopefully you are having a fantastic day today. And in today's video, we're going back across the pond for a brand new episode of Brand Talk. This is episode 7, and we're going to be talking about the brand Cold Laundry. Let's get into it. So Cold Laundry was a brand founded in 2019 by couple Ola and Cerise Alabi. The brand is known for the idea of escaping the noise, the roughness, the grit, and the monotonous routine of everyday life. One of the brand's key pillars is creating product that is conscious, purposeful, and made unlike fast fashion. One of the things that stuck out to me when I was doing research about the couple, on his LinkedIn page, he had basically a statement, and it read, "I believe in the abundance of life, and that if you give first, you will always get back. Creativity is in my blood. I have a love-hate relationship with fashion. Art comes first." And I thought that was just really interesting. I don't know, it's very like poetic, and it kind of speaks to the kind of individual that Ola Alabi is, and obviously kind of bleeds through to his brand. In an interview, Ola Alabi explains how neither him or his wife had any formal training in fashion. Cold Laundry initially started out as a passion project for both husband and wife to express themselves creatively through the vehicle of fashion. The new flagship store for Cold Laundry is currently located in London on Redchurch Street. And if you are a native of London, or if you live in the UK and you know where that is, describe that area to us in the comment section. Like, have you ever been to Cold Laundry? Things like that, because I would love to go to London. But the history of the brand can really be summarized into some very basic concepts. A husband and wife start a passion project around fashion. The project is meant to emphasize personal clarity, inner stillness, and quality products. And they do that through the vehicle of, social media, editorials, storytelling and whatnot. And they've been able to grow a brand since 2019, which isn't that long at all, which is making waves all across the world. But that does beg the question, why has Cold Laundry seen such expansive growth? So let's get into it. Brands often make lofty promises when it comes to quality, sustainability, and equanimity, but Cold Laundry actually delivers on those promises, and that is one of the major reasons why the brand has seen such expansive growth. First off, the brand does a fantastic job with their editorial showcasing. I mean, just look at the imagery that Cold Laundry uses for their past collections. It's absolutely stunning, and it is incredible, and no wonder why they've seen such amazing growth. The person who does the editorial work, which I think was one of the people who did it, was Oghale Alex. I don't know if I pronounced that right at all, but I'll be sure to have the name on the screen. Oghale. The editorial in the photography in the campaign videos is what really sets apart Cold Laundry from other brands. Last week we talked about UK brand Represent, and I think in a lot of ways Cold Laundry does some things that are a little bit better than Represent, that resonate with me more so. But it doesn't mean Represent isn't a bad brand. But it just goes to show the brands out there in the United Kingdom, across the pond, as people like to say, are doing fantastic work. Let's kind of dive a little bit deeper into why they're more relevant currently. On the note of UK brands, one of the things I definitely notice about brands like Cold Laundry, Represent, and even someone like Cole Buxton is just how clean their product offerings is, and how clean they showcase their different ideas, right? Whether it be a campaign video, editorial, photography, campaign photo shoot, product photos, all those things are done at such a high level. They're so clean, so easy to understand, easily digestible. It really goes to show, like I said, how amazing some of these brands are coming out of the UK, coming out of London and whatnot, right? Some of my favorite pieces from the brand include the brown puffer jacket and the Enzo pants. If you know one of my fellow YouTubers, Grandpa, he raves about all the time. He raves about the puffer jacket all the time, and he loves it and he lives by it. Definitely a jacket that I'm very interested in and would love to get my hands on at some point. Obviously, it's getting a little bit warmer and becoming springtime. But I would love to know if you guys have a Cold Laundry piece, what do you guys think of Cold Laundry? What do you think of your piece? If you have a piece, comment it down below and let us know what you have. So if I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. I feel like I'm absolutely in love with Cold Laundry. It is an absolutely inspiring brand. And when I mean inspiring, I mean truly inspiring. It makes me want to, create better content. It makes me want to create, better content on YouTube, on Instagram. It wants me to create better art, draw better. It really is that kind of brand that kind of pushes you to think, how can I make my work? How can I get my work to that level and have the impact or have the impression that, this work is having on me, right? But yeah, that's truly what I think about it. 10 out of 10 brand. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts about it in the comment section. I wanted to make this brand talk about the brand. And hopefully you guys got some value out of this. Learned a little bit. Sorry, I talk too fast sometimes. Learned a little bit about something that's new, a new brand that you maybe didn't know about or you wanted to learn more about. If I keep saying Olga. If Ola Alabi or Sarisa Alabi, they want to, plug your boy with some Cold Laundry, I would absolutely love it. Will it happen? Probably not, but gotta put it out there. And if you guys have any other thoughts about the video, I would love to hear them down in the comment section. The point of these videos is to create a space for people to learn, share, and create community around things that they enjoy, which is fashion. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, you can connect with me on Instagram at DrewJoyner_. I truly love making these brand talks. Hopefully this is a calm, relaxing little video. Excuse me. Subscribe if you enjoyed, of course. Like, bare minimum, if you can do those things, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of Brand Talk. Have a wonderful rest of your day.